Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Hyundai/Kia 1.5 Crdi four-cylinder engine refers to a lineage of diesel engines from the Hyundai Motor Group, which includes both Hyundai and Kia. This family has evolved significantly, with the D4FA, part of the U series, being a prominent earlier iteration, and the newer SmartStream D1.5, an evolution of the U2/U3 series, representing the current generation. Let's break down the general characteristics, then delve into specifics for each. General characteristics of Hyundai/Kia 1.5 Crdi four-cylinder engines. These engines are defined by common rail direct injection, CRD, a modern fuel injection system that delivers fuel directly into the combustion chamber at very high pressure, allowing for finer atomization and more efficient combustion. Four-cylinder layout provides a good balance of power delivery and refinement for compact and subcompact vehicles. Diesel fuel, designed to run on diesel, known for high torque and excellent fuel economy. Turbocharged. All modern versions are turbocharged to boost power output and efficiency. DOHC, double overhead camshaft, enhances valve control for better performance. 1.5 Crdi 4FA engine, earlier U series. History and versions. The D4FA is a 1.5-liter, 1,493 cubic centimeters, four-cylinder diesel engine. It was widely used in Hyundai and Kia models from the mid-2000s, replacing earlier three-cylinder 1.5 Crdi units, D3EA, and becoming a popular choice in vehicles like the Hyundai Accent, MC generation, Hyundai Getz, and Kia Rio, JB generation. It features a cast-iron block and an aluminum cylinder head. While some very early versions might have had fixed geometry turbos, later D4FA iterations typically incorporated variable geometry turbochargers, VGT, for improved performance across the RPM range. Review and opinions. The D4FA was considered a reliable and very fuel-efficient engine for its time. Owners generally praised its robustness and the ample torque it provided, making it comfortable for both city driving and highway cruising. Its refinement was a significant improvement over previous diesel technologies. Advantages: strong fuel economy, consistently delivered excellent mileage figures, a key reason for its popularity. Durability, with proper maintenance, these engines are known to be long-lasting. Good low-end torque, made for easy drivability, especially in urban traffic. Timing chain, uses a timing chain, which typically doesn't require periodic replacement, reducing long-term maintenance costs for this component. Disadvantages: fuel sensitivity. The high-pressure common rail system can be sensitive to poor quality or contaminated diesel, potentially leading to fuel system issues. Complexity. As a modern diesel, it has more complex components, injectors, HPFP, EGR, DPF in later versions, that can be costly to repair if they fail. Faults and breakdowns, common problems. Injector issues. Clogging or malfunction of fuel injectors is a frequently reported problem, often due to fuel quality or extended service intervals. Symptoms include rough idling, black smoke, and reduced power. High-pressure fuel pump, HPFP, failure. While not rampant, HPFP issues can occur, leading to difficulty starting or sudden engine cutouts. Repair can be expensive. DPF clogging, if equipped for models with diesel particulate filters, more common in European markets and later versions. Frequent short city drives can prevent proper DPF regeneration, leading to blockages, reduced power, and warning lights. EGR valve problems. Soot buildup in the exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, valve can cause it to stick, affecting engine performance and efficiency. Turbocharger wear. Like any turbocharged engine, the turbocharger can experience wear over high mileage, leading to reduced boost, whining noises, or excessive exhaust smoke. Oil pickup sump sludge. Some reports, particularly with the related D4CB engine, but relevant to CRD in general, mention carbon buildup from leaking injector seals leading to sludge in the oil sump, which can block the oil pickup and cause oil starvation, potentially damaging the turbo or engine. Regular inspection of injector seals and sump cleaning is advisable. Fuel consumption, real world. Mixed driving, typically in the range of 5.0 to 6.5 L/100 km, approximate 40 to 50 mpg US. Highway driving can achieve 4.5 L/100 km or lower with a light foot. Timing. The D4F8 engine uses a timing chain. This is generally designed to last the life of the engine, but its longevity is heavily dependent on consistent and proper oil changes with the manufacturer-specified oil to ensure adequate lubrication and prevent wear on the chain and its components. Tensioners guides. Oil type requires low SAPs, sulfate ash, phosphorus, sulfur, synthetic engine oils, especially for DPF-equipped variants. Viscosity. Common recommendations include SAE 5W, 30 or 0W, 30, adhering to ACES C2/C3 ratings. Capacity, approximately 4.8 liters, including filter change. 1.5 CRD, SmartStream engine, newer U2/U3 evolution. History and versions. The 1.5 CRD, SmartStream engine, often referred to as D1.5 or an evolution within the U2/U3 family, is part of Hyundai Motor Group's latest generation of powertrains, introduced more recently, e.g., from around 2020/2021 onwards. It's designed to meet stricter emission norms like Euro 6/BS6 and features enhanced technologies for greater efficiency, lower emissions, and improved performance. This engine is found in current models like the Hyundai Creta, Verna, Venue, and Kia Seltos, Sonet, and Carens in various markets. It consistently employs a variable geometry turbocharger, VGT, and advanced common rail systems. Review and opinions. The 1.5 CRD SmartStream engine is highly acclaimed for its exceptional refinement, quiet operation for a diesel, and outstanding fuel efficiency. It offers a very smooth and linear power delivery, with minimal turbo lag. Owners often praise its drivability in both city and highway conditions, finding it a potent yet economical choice. Advantages: superior refinement and NVH, significantly reduced noise, vibration, and harshness levels compared to previous generations, making for a very comfortable cabin experience. Outstanding fuel economy. Achieves even better real-world fuel consumption due to advanced combustion processes, reduced internal friction, and improved thermal management. Excellent performance. The VGT provides strong torque across a wide RPM band, resulting in good responsiveness and effortless acceleration. Advanced emission control, designed to meet the latest emission standards, often incorporating advanced DPF and, in some cases, SCR, selective catalytic reduction, with AdBlue for NOx reduction. Reliability, early indications as a newer engine. Long-term reliability data is still being accumulated, but initial reports are largely positive, continuing Hyundai/Kia's reputation for building reliable diesel engines when properly maintained. Disadvantages: increased technological complexity. The highly advanced nature of this engine means that if components like the ultra-high-pressure fuel pump, sophisticated injectors, DPF, or AdBlue system fail, repair costs can be substantial. Reliance on specific driving patterns for DPF. Like all modern diesels, it requires periodic longer runs at highway speeds to allow the DPF to regenerate effectively. Frequent short city trips can lead to DPF clogging. AdBlue requirement. If equipped models with SCR require regular AdBlue, urea solution, refills, adding a minor operational cost and maintenance item. Faults and breakdowns, common problems. Given its relatively recent introduction, widespread chronic issues are not yet widely documented. However, based on general modern CRD engine characteristics, potential areas for concern, especially with neglected maintenance or poor fuel quality, could include fuel injector issues. While improved, the precision nature of the injectors makes them sensitive to fuel contamination. DPF issues remains the most common diesel-specific problem if regeneration cycles are consistently interrupted. AdBlue system malfunctions. Issues with the SCR system, including sensor failures, pump problems, or AdBlue crystallization, can occur. EGR system carbon buildup, possible over time, affecting engine efficiency. Electronic sensor failures. As with any complex engine management system, occasional sensor failures can trigger warning lights or affect performance. Fuel consumption, real world. The SmartStream 1.5 CRD is a class leader in fuel efficiency. City driving, expect around 5.5 to 7.0 L/100 km, approximate 14 to 18 kmpl or 33 to 43 mpg US. Highway driving often achieves figures below 5.0 L/100 km, over 20 kmpl or 47 mpg US, making it exceptionally economical for long journeys. Timing. The 1.5 CRD SmartStream engine also utilizes a timing chain. This design choice underscores Hyundai/Kia's commitment to long-life components for their modern powertrains. Oil. Type. Strictly requires low SAPs, sulfate ash, phosphorus, sulfur, fully synthetic engine oils that meet the latest industry standards, e.g., ACES C2/C3/C5, and specific Hyundai/Kia factory approvals. Using incorrect oil can severely impact the DPF and other emission control systems. Viscosity. Common recommendations include SAE 0W, 30, 5W, 30, or even 0W, 20 for maximum efficiency, depending on the specific engine variant and market. Capacity typically ranges from 4.0 to 4.8 liters, including filter change. Always consult the vehicle's owner's manual for the precise specification and capacity. In conclusion, both the D4FA and the SmartStream 1.5 CRD four-cylinder engines have been highly successful for Hyundai/Kia, primarily due to their strong focus on fuel efficiency and practical performance. The SmartStream generation represents a significant leap forward in refinement and technological sophistication. For both, meticulous adherence to service schedules, using the correct fuel and fluids, and understanding the specific requirements of modern diesel emission systems are paramount for ensuring long-term reliability and performance. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.